You know that X-VPN provides over 8,000 servers worldwide. But do you know how to best use them? Here are 4 tips. 1. Unblock all content you want. Have you faced limited shows only played in the UK, or the latest anime only released in Japan? By switching to the servers in specific areas, you can browse faster and experience an undifferentiated network. 2. Fast streaming for games and shows. For 2023 NBA playoffs now, you can also choose multi-language broadcast programs in other regions to experience the mobility of X-VPN. We're helping you follow up on various game schedules and wonderful commentaries in real time. 3. Bypass censorship for business. When you are on a business trip or travel abroad, some websites are not supported locally. By connecting servers in other regions, your IP address is transferred, therefore, you can route your traffic through a different server in other countries, to actively handle work or use social media to share lives. 4. Find the best price. Even if you are at home and choose gifts on the e-commerce platform, those websites can judge your area through your IP address to give you currency and pricing. Try to switch to servers in different countries to compare and choose the optimal price. Get your X-VPN Premium to enjoy all the above experience. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss the latest information about enhancing security.